What up, YouTube? Go Farm back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And guess what? Chick-fil-A came out with their own grow bag. Yes, Chick-fil-A got a grow bag. You don't believe me? They do. Watch the video. All right, let's talk about the backstory. Now, I was somewhere and they had Chick-fil-A catering and they started to throw these bags away. I said, lies you tell. This is a grow bag, y'all. See how you can see through it? That means it lets water escape. This is a grow bag, y'all. Let's put some soil in it. Let's put some good amendments in it. Chick-fil-A got a grow bag. That's crazy to me. Let's put some food in now, here. First thing I hate gonna say is, bro, you can't grow food in this. First off, these bags were designed to tote food, but now it's gonna grow food. You gotta have vision. Understand where I'm coming from with this. Sit back, see what I do, and next time Chick-fil-A is catered wherever you at, get the bag. Now let's get into it. All right, so over there is my garden soil Miracle Grow. I hate Miracle Grow, but it's on sale. Matter of fact, if you got a minute, stop by one of your local big box stores. They putting this soil on sale. They getting this stuff away. They got to get room for Thanksgiving, Christmas, Halloween, Easter. Go get the soil, man. It's cheap now. All right. So first thing to a grow bag, you got to put some soil in there. And this is all-purpose garden soil. Container soil, garden soil is soil. I know it's different things and different soil that make it called garden and container. It was on sale. It was on sale. Now, if y'all know me, I like a sale. So I got it. Gently put the soil in the bag. Gently put the soil in the bag. Did y'all hear gently? Because you can't afford to waste none of this soil, even if it's on sale. All right. So now I got to get it to stand up. Get your life together. It's going to be okay. Old broke farmer got you. Look at that. I bought a 20 gallon grow bag, y'all. And they were going to throw this away. Well, y'all wait. Some of y'all have not because y'all ask not. Ask for these bags. If your church function and Chick-fil-A catering, say, let me have it. And if you have it, then you have not. I don't know how else to put that. Ask for this stuff. That's why y'all can't get a deal, because y'all scared to ask for stuff. You can't be rich and poor at the same time. You're too rich to ask, but you too poor to do without. I don't understand it. Y'all make it make sense. I can't. All right. So we're going to fill it to this level right here. Y'all can't tell me that ain't a grow bag now. That's a grow bag. So now let's fill this other one up. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. It's going to be spectacular. Darn near diabolical, I tell you. Open up. Open sesame. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill. Fill. All right. You looking good. Yeah. You looking good. Look at them grow bag. 20 gallon grow bag. Get the hell out of here if y'all can't use this stuff. Put a little more. And I got my garden pavers underneath it so grass can't grow up. Ingenuity, baby. Ingenuity. Ingenuity. I got the soil filled up to the zipper. All right, there we go. There we go. Now I'm gonna put a little compost on there. Just a little compost. Just something to make the plant shake. Shake in a good way, that is. Little mushroom compost. Caught it on the deal at a store. I got it. Just a little bit to cover the top up. That's all we need, baby. Look at that grow bag. It's outside the Chick-fil-A. Oh yeah. All right, we got it in there. So now, put a little fertilizer on it. Ooh, that soil look black. Ooh. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. A little Ivy organic fertilizer. Then I got my tomato tone. I bought some plant tone. Whatever tone on sale, that's what I get. This was $8. It was not a steal, but it was all right price. I think regular price is $14. So we good with that. And if y'all wonder about my measuring, that much. That much. Some people gonna say it's too much, some people gonna say it's not enough. Shut up. Shut up. How much you putting in yours? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Just mix it all in, make it great. Ooh, 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 ooh. There she goes. She good now. Now let's see what I'm gonna put in here, y'all. Let's see what I'm gonna put in here, y'all. I didn't do this for nothing. Of course, I got something spectacular going on. All right, and the reason I'm putting it together, Bunny's Best Cabbage. It was 5, 8 or 9 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cabbage. And I'm like, well, y'all love Bunny. If this Bunny Best Cabbage, I want this. Y'all love Bunny. So I got Bunny Best Cabbage. Now for me to break even, I gotta eat all 6 cabbages and I get my money back. So y'all pray for me down there in the comments, prayer that I get to eat all this broccoli and get my money back. $5.98, y'all. $5.98, y'all. So let's get it in. I think I'm only gonna put three cabbage in each bag. I'm thinking it's similar to a 20-gallon grow bag. So I'm gonna plant it accordingly. Cabbage head gonna be that big. Then we're gonna put one in each corner. Trust me, y'all, it's gonna work. What could go wrong? All right, get that bad leaf off. And we're gonna put one right here. I'm also gonna go back and put garlic in here. All right, that's in there. Now let's do this one. Spread the soil back out over here. Make this grow bag wide. This looks just like a, this bigger than 20 gallon. That was a 30-gallon grow bag. It's outside the Chick-fil-A for inventing the Chick-fil-A grow bag. Let's get them in here. This Bunny's Best. Now, if this Bunny Best, I want some of this now. You know how much cabbage Bunny sell? If this Bunny Best cabbage, yeah, I definitely want some of that. Get some of this Bunny's Best in here. And somebody gonna say, well, that bag ain't big enough to have 3 caps. Shut up. Shut up. God darn. Do is yap. Now I got that in there. Let's get a little garlic. Put it down the middle, put it in the X. It's gonna be spectacular, y'all. All right, let's get some garlic in here. Just gonna go down the middle. I just want to show y'all the complete way I'm doing this. I don't want nobody to say, well, when you planted that? Watch the video. Watch the video. I don't remember you planting that. There must be some moving magic. This AI editing. I ain't no AI editing when you see me plant the seed. Plant the seed, I get food. I don't know how else to do that in different. I don't know what garlic is, but look at these pieces. Some big pieces of garlic. So we're just gonna put them in and hope the birds don't dig them up. I don't know why birds been digging up my garlic. I didn't know birds like garlic. Or is it just vampires that don't like garlic? I might be tripping, I don't know. But garlic going around it, because we like to eat garlic. And there you go. I'm gonna go back in and water them up. She gonna be spectacular, y'all. Y'all just wait. I'm gonna show you. I promise I'm gonna show you. All right, something else I want to do. I planted too many collard greens in here in this little 5-gallon pot. So we got to take some of these out and replant them. Hopefully they don't die. They look horrible. So move some of these wood chip back. I'm gonna put them in between the rows of bok choy and onions, and we'll see what happens, y'all. It might work. All right. That's a really weak root system for this. That soil is real compacted. I got way too much compost in there, y'all. So I'm gonna plant these deep. Hopefully they can get established before it gets too cold. I think I can do it. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Broke farmer can do it. Yay, he can. Yay, he can. So I don't know. I'm gonna put them about this far apart. And see, can we put some life back in these collards? Because we know Thanksgiving, I gotta put collard greens on the table. That's what the family want from me. Collard green, bro. That's what the whole family say. They want collard green from Broke Farmer Garden. So who would I be if I didn't provide what the family said? And some people saying, well, the bok choy and the collards too close. Well, think about it like this. I'm gonna pull the whole bok choy when I harvest like this one. I'm gonna pull the whole thing. So by the time it get a little colder and these collards grow up, I'll be done pulled out this bok choy and ate it. So I appreciate your concern, but I got it. I got it. Thank you for your concern. Here we go. Look how nicely they go in there. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna put both of them in the same hole. I'm not. And these, I'm gonna put somewhere else. But that's what it looked like so far. That's some good soil in there, y'all. Look how that bok choy turning out. All right, let's move these other ones somewhere. Right. And this is the main reason I got some more cabbage starts. They there. They just don't look that good. I want to say I planted these mustard greens at the same time. That little cabbage, it just don't want to do now. It's like the train that can't. I think I can't. I think I can't. I think I can't. Yeah. And then I ain't watered in 2 days, man. These brassicas are drama queens. Cause you gotta think, it's already too hot for them, and you ain't watering them. Yeah. So I'm gonna start back watering. Yep. All right. And something else. Some people are tempted when you go a couple days without watering to go ahead and fertilize them. I don't think that's a good idea. Do your own research on that one. Because the way I see it, the plants are already stressed. Last thing you want to do is give them fertilizer and stress them out more. Because we really don't think about fertilizer as being a stressor. But fertilizer is telling them plants, get your butt up and grow and do something. So they're already shocked from where the mustards ain't. The mustard looks fantastic. Let's start there. But they're already going through struggle, lack of water. And now you're going to tell them, hey, I know you ain't had water in 3 days, but get up and grow. I don't think that's a good idea. But do your own research. Y'all believe in Google. See what Google say. And then tell Google to show its garden. And I know somebody thinking, well, what is the purpose of this video? The purpose of this video is VEGO garden beds are awesome. Awesome garden beds. But it's also the Chick-fil-A catering bag that you can also grow food in. Don't get caught up in what everybody else doing. Do what it takes for you to grow food. Growing food for you might not look like what growing food for me looks like, as long as you're growing. Get out there, grow something, be productive in your garden. Make sure that you think about ways to garden before you spend a lot of money. Now, my channel originally was for cheap gardening, very cheap gardening, almost darn near broke gardening. And that's where the original name Broke Farmer came from. It's a way of gardening that you don't have to have a lot of money to do, that you can do if you broke. You can be a farmer and be broke. Broke farmer, that is. Get out there, do something, man. Be productive with your day.